If you want to render an animation in Krita, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you the fastest and easiest way to export your animation so you can turn it into a video or an image sequence. This is a really useful step if you finish drawing your frames and you're ready to share your work, upload it, or take it into another program for editing. And if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open your animation in Krita and make sure your project is ready to export. Once everything looks the way you want it, go up to the top menu and click File. From there, look for Render Animation. This is the option Krita uses to export your animation into a playable format or into separate image files. After you click Render Animation, a new window will open with your export settings. In this window, you'll see options for how you want to save your animation. One of the most common choices is Export as a Video, which creates a single video file that you can easily upload or share. If you need each frame saved separately, you can choose Image Sequence instead. This is especially helpful if you plan to edit the animation later in another software program. Next, take a look at your resolution settings. This is where you can make sure your exported animation matches the size you want. If you're making content for YouTube, social media, or a specific project, double check that the resolution is set correctly before moving forward. Choosing the right resolution helps your final animation look clean and professional. Once your export type and the resolution are set, take a moment to review the other options if needed. If everything looks good, just press OK to begin rendering. Krita will now process your animation and export it based on the settings you selected. Depending on the length of your animation and your computer speed, this may take a little bit of time, so just let it finish. When the render is complete, your animation will be saved and ready to use. If you export it as a video, you can now play it back, upload it, or share it right away. If you export it as an image sequence, you'll have all your frames saved individually for editing or further use. And that's it. That's how to render an animation in Krita. It only takes a few clicks once you know where to go. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.